Hello, members. This is Aman from Upmove Stocks. We hope that you are doing fine and you would be anyone who had watched our Birlasoft stock analysis video and SCL Technologies analysis video must be very happy because both these stocks moved very sharply. Birlasoft Birlasoft gave quite a good returns today itself. The video was posted yesterday only. So even though we are posting our videos only for your education and understanding purposes, but you can still see how the levels are working and how beautifully the stocks have moved up. Okay, so we can say they have outperformed the market today. Both SCL Technology, even the SCL Technology did see a lot of some profit booking today, but Birlasoft maintained its position even in the end. So we can see more upside in the days to come in Birlasoft, and it might touch our first target of 550, 545, maybe within a day or two, provided the market remains a little strong, because Birlasoft in a stock itself is very strong as of now. So today we will be doing one of the most favorite stocks of the entire market. Like everybody likes to have Infosys in his or her portfolio. So we will be covering Infosys today. Just like Birlasoft, Infosys has also given a massive breakout. Today the candle is huge. It moved up by like 31.45 rupees, around 2% today itself. So the candle is huge. You can see here, and the volume is also quite good. So we can expect more upside in the days to come in Infosys, provided it manages to hold this breakout, the resistance, which is the level of 1847, or you can say 1850. This level is critical for Infosys to maintain in the days to come. However, if it comes down back yesterday, crosses this line and closes below this line, then we might not see further upside almost immediately. We might have to wait for some more time, because Infosys has not been able to cross this level in the past, but today it has managed to close above it, and also with a significant volume. So price action, which is normally a very commonly used term in technical analysis, says that the stock appears to be quite strong because it is supported by reasonable volume for today. So we will see how it moves tomorrow in the morning. We are not going to give you any target for this stock, because we had advised our members to exit from this stock at around 1828, 1830. So you can say maybe within the range of 1850 to 1830. So giving a trade as of like projecting the targets would not be right for everyone, but we will give you a rough idea as to where it can go in the coming days. Yes, it has given a breakout. There is a possibility that it may move more upside. So we will just try to see how it can perform in the coming days. So for that, we will have to go on the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart. You can see a huge, like, I will not say huge as of now, but yes, it has been able to manage, it has been able to close above the major resistance of 1847, though it has closed only by like 9 rupees, 9 points. So we cannot say that it has closed very hugely on the weekly chart, but yes, giving a breakout on the weekly chart indicates that this stock is going to be strong in the long run. So anyone who is holding Infosys can consult his or her financial advisor to advise him or her on the stop loss that should be maintained. As per basic rule of technical analysis, it is always advisable to maintain the stop loss below this resistance line. You can design the stop loss, or you can maintain a stop loss as per the advice of your financial advisor, because different advisors use different methodologies for fixing the stop loss. So you will be able to earn some profit out of it if you have purchased it here, even if your stop loss is hit in the days to come. But the only probability of it coming back could be that the market has been in uptrend for like past 3 to 4 days. It has been constantly moving up. Also, Nifty IT has been moving up quite significantly in the past. And even when Nifty 50 fell from 18,000, maybe from the recent fall that it took, that the bloodbath that happened on Monday, Nifty IT was still strong on that day, even though they might have gone down a little bit, but the fall was not very significant. So they were able to hold the market also. So the only possibility of Infi going down could be two. Some bad news comes about it. First, second, that an overall profit booking in Nifty IT may come. So if it manages to sustain this level of 1850 and it holds it for maybe 3 to 4 close and doesn't come down, then we might see further upside in the stock. We will just try to analyze some kind of pattern if it has formed in it. So just to make a simple projection as to where it can go. So we'll try to see if there is some kind of pattern in it. So just a second. Okay, so you can say that there is a sort of a flag pattern. Okay, it is not. It is like of 3 to 4 candles. So but it is looking like a flag only. You can see the upper end and the lower end and the pole. This is the pole. We will change the color so that you will be able to see it more clearly. Just a second. So this is your pole as per the flag pattern, and this is also bullish pattern as of now. So we can say 1840 minus 1710. So around 130 rupees. So we can say that Nifty, Infi can move 130 points above from the breakout level. So the breakout had taken place at this level. So if I have to exactly take out the breakout level, so it will be this only, you can say, because I cannot consider it, or let us take the major resistance only. We will take this only. Okay. So the breakout of flag pattern occurred at this level at 1833, or I will be more conservative. I will take it as 1840, so that there is no like I will be a little more conservative. I will or you can, if I have to be, you can take, because the difference is coming off to be like 5 to 6 rupees only. So with that we will try to adjust in the possible target. So the upper pole is at 1840 and the lower is 1712. So the difference is of 128 rupees. So we can say that if we can move up 128 points or 130 points from the level of 1840.50 in the days to come, so which will take Infi to 1970. So it will be very close to 2000, or you can say 1950. Infi might show us a target of 1950 in the days to come. When it will happen, it can take maybe 10 days, 15 days, or maybe a month or so. So that will depend a lot on the how the market performs during the coming days, because Omicron variant is still creating a lot of trouble throughout the world, and there are possibilities of lockdown and all that stuff. But so a profit booking might come at the upper levels. But as of now, the possible target that that Infi might show in the coming days would be around 1950 to 1970, and most probably 2000 rupees. Initially, also we had projected a figure of 1900 around 2 to 3 months back, but Infi was like consolidating in a region. It went up, it came down, it went up, it came down. So our members made profit in Infi like multiple times. So we gave them call at around 1692, 1675, 1667. So multiple calls were given at multiple levels, and in between also like 17112, 17119 at different levels. So in Infi, all of our members, yes, at some point of time there was loss because of heavy falling in IT stocks, but all of their positions have been closed in profit only. And we believe that none of our members is holding Infi as of now. But for those who are holding Infi, they can keep a check on this level of from where the breakout has occurred. You can take you can keep two levels in mind. One is 1840 and the other one is 1847, which are very close to each other. So to keep a proper stop loss, you will have to discuss it with your financial advisor, because even if we try to suggest it and it gets hit, then you will like blame us for you didn't advise a stop loss, because our methodology may differ from your methodology or your advisor's methodology. Please note that the possible target has been determined only on the basis of this flag pattern. There is no confirmation as to whether Infi will actually move to 1970 in the days to come. But yes, on the basis of simple technical analysis, we do analysis on a very simple level. We don't try to complicate it with multiple lines, do this, do that. We use very simple lines. We make projections on the basis of our experience. You can see that in Birlasort, you can see that in SL Technologies, you can see that in TCS, you can see that in Titan. There is no hodgepodge in our chart. There is no like curve, there is no moving average, there are no indicators. Very simple analysis, and we believe that simplicity is the best approach to technical analysis. If I like put this curve here and this curve here and try to explain you multiple things, you will get confused. So as of now, the possible target of Nifty 50 comes around in the range of 1950 to 1970. Please hold it only after consulting your financial or technical advisor, because these stocks can be very volatile, particularly the IT sector. And we have been seeing Infy and a lot of other IT stocks moving substantially in the last few days. So profit booking is likely to come. So please maintain strict stop losses. Don't let your profits go away just because you want to earn maybe 50-20 rupees more. So be a little more precautious. And if you are a long-term investor, Infy is not going anywhere. So yes, there will be ups and downs like we have seen here. Okay, so ups and downs will always be there, but the most important part today is that it has broken two important levels. One is 1840 of the flag pattern, and the other one is 1847 of the major resistance from the level where it fell down last. So you can see it fell down from here and it has crossed today above this level. It has crossed this level and closed above it. So it is a positive sign as far as the stock is concerned, but it could be a possible trap also, but it doesn't seem so because the volume is very high and the candle is also very strong. But profit booking can certainly come because tomorrow is Friday as well, as so that thing we need to keep in mind, because in this kind of a market you need to maintain stop losses, because we don't know what news will come tomorrow or maybe on Monday or maybe on Saturday, Sunday, that can impact your profits. So maintain strict stop losses. Infy is looking strong. Now we will try to analyze it on weekly charts. We have done it, but we will again try to explain it to you so you can see that. Not only now why we are saying that it is very strong. See, Infy had been consolidating, just a second. Infy had been consolidating in this region since last 4 to 5 months. From the month of August, Infy had been consolidating in this region. Okay, so last month it gave a breakout of this consolidation and closed above it. This itself was a very positive sign because it closed above the consolidation resistance. This was the resistance. I will just okay, so this is it closed above it, and because it was able to close above this resistance, Infy also maintained its upward trend in the coming week. Sorry, it was the candle for the previous week. So from like you can take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, around 20 weeks Nifty had spent in this region consolidating. So last week it closed above this consolidation level, and today it has managed to cross above this level as well. Sorry, above the last resistance level as well. So it has crossed both the resistances, this one and this one. So it indicates that Nifty is very strong, and this candle is a previous week when the fall had started in Nifty 50. Fall started maybe last Friday. So if we managed to close above this level, so we can say that Nifty was strong from the last week itself, and today's closure clearly indicates that Nifty is in a strong zone as of now. But since it is already operating at its 52-week high, so we will have to see as to whether it can move further high from here or not. So now we will take you to the monthly chart. So this is your, okay, you can see clearly the flag pattern, huge flag pattern. Okay, so now it will be very clear to you. Just a second. So if I just drop, even if I take the lowest level, so and okay, this is fine. So 1788 and okay, just a second, 1786 and 13. So it is showing a 400 rupee upside from this breakout level. So 100 rupee has already achieved because it is already up by 100 rupees. So it is indicating that in the months to come, maybe 7 to 8 months, Infy might touch the level of around 2200 rupees. Maybe in 6 months, it can take 8 months, or it can take 10 months. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so it can take around 9 to 10 months, and Infy might touch 2200 in the months to come, not the days. Okay, so this is a very good stock, as we know fundamentally also. So on daily charts it is looking very strong. On weekly charts it is looking good. On monthly charts it is looking extremely strong because it has given a breakout of the major flag pattern of the consolidation also, and it is possible that it might show further upside movement in the months, days or weeks to come. You can also see that the volume of INFI is in green and is on a constant level. We will not say that it has been increasing on a constant level, but yes, it has been maintaining its volume at a decent level on monthly basis. So INFI is looking strong. We will again repeat the possible levels that it might touch in the near future. These are only for your educational purposes. Don't take any trade either tomorrow or in the days to come in INFI, because the market is very volatile. Also, before taking any trade, you should consult your financial advisor, financial consultant, discuss stop loss with him or her, and then only trade, and then only take any trade in the stock market, because it can result in complete wipe out of your capital if you don't take your trades properly and maintain strict stop losses, particularly in this kind of market where the news is playing a major role as of now. So we hope that you would like this video. Again, we would repeat the levels. The levels are, the possible levels are where we can see in the days to come is in the range of 1950 to 2000, 1950, 1970, 2000, and in the months to come we might see INFI touching 2200, 2250. So we hope that you would like this video. We would appreciate if you would see the entire video right from the beginning till the end. Okay, and please go through the disclaimer that we have given in the description box, because these videos are only for educating you. We are not charging any money from you for these videos. These videos can be of extreme help to you if you are new to the stock market and don't have any idea of the candlestick patterns or of any like how technical analysis is done, what kind of stocks are good, what kind of stocks are bad. So these videos can form a basic foundation for you, like how to trade or how to enter in the stock market, but only with the help of a proper financial advisor or a person who has extreme knowledge of the stock market and who can help you in adjusting your stop losses, in projecting targets, in like helping you to exit stocks in which you are making losses, something like that. So you need to have a proper advisor or a proper mentor who can help you with these trades on your day-to-day in your day-to-day trade. So this is very important that you need to understand that these videos are only and only for your educational purposes. Yes, our videos are, touch wood, doing good. Birlasoft did went up like sharply. HCL also is in profit right now of around 20 rupees. TCS also took support of 3570. Titan also gave a 20-25 rupees when it broke the level of 2248. So yes, our levels are working good, but there's no guarantee in the stock market, and you can be stuck in a particular stock for a long period of time if you don't manage your trades properly. So with this, I would like to sign off. This is Aman. Bye bye. Take care.